Hey YouTube, this is going to be the unboxing on the Logitech G19 keyboard, and this is the gaming keyboard, so I'm going to unbox it here. So, you get a free World of Warcraft trial with this, which I already have World of Warcraft, so, and customizable backlighting, and see on the side of the box here. There's the side of the box, and then here's the system requirements. And configuration and everything in the back of the box there. And this has 12 programmable keys, I believe. And this will work on Windows Vista and Windows 7. So, I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here is the keyboard itself. Right there. Let's see. Under here. And you do have to plug this into the wall, which is kind of stupid. So that's the power cord right there. And here is the USB and where the power cord plugs in. Alright, so here is the keyboard itself. Let's see. Okay, over here you have your 12 programmable G keys, and over here is your media, play, pause, stop, forward, backwards, and volume control and mute. And you have the backlighting key. Yeah, and that's pretty much the keyboard there. All the basic stuff. Oh yeah, and there's the screen right there. Take this off. Alright, so, and in the box also comes a wrist vest, which I probably won't use since I don't like these. And it just goes on the bottom of the keyboard right there. And then you also have the software that comes with the CD. So, yeah, that was the unboxing. And I'll probably be doing a review of this. So stay tuned to that. And, yeah, that was the unboxing. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is anpippin, and check out my next video on the G9X laser mouse unboxing. I'll be doing it right after this video, because I bought this to go with that, so please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Peace.